Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can find some really interesting directory niches and how you can build a directory idea or a directory product and stand out if there are any existing, competitors of yours in that particular directory niche. So in this video, I will be using two tools, which is LowFruits.io and I will be using deep research by Grok, right? Grok.com. So I will be using both of them. So let's get into it. So I am into this lowfruits.io dashboard. So basically I will tell you what LowFruits does is like it's a tool, it's an SEO tool which can help you find some really low competition keywords on Google, right? So what I did was like I searched for a directory, which is like a broad keyword, and searched for United States, and it generated, some ideas. And once you have once you get the list of all the ideas, you can like just extract or select some of them, and you can analyze them. So I've already analyzed some of the ideas here. So I put in directory over here, and I've clicked on directory, right? So I will show you what exactly how this works. So I have a filter over here which includes a term directory and includes three terms. Okay, and it has already, I have already got the analysis of it. Right. So these are basically weak spots. The more number of green spots you find, these are basically weak spots. Weak spots is basically, uh, you know, how many research results are there with less domain authority, right? And as you can see, like this particular site has DA of 11, DA of 1, DA 11, DA 11, right? So as you can find, like there are a lot of green, icons over here. The more number of green icons is there, the better your potential is to, outrank those particular sites. So on the left hand side, you can see all the directory niches, right? So there were some niches that I found very interesting, which was, I guess it was halal directory, which I found very interesting. It's a really broad directory niche, and I also found a therapist directory niche. So you can use LowFruits to find some interesting directory niches, not particularly for SEO purpose, just to find interesting directory niches which has some potential over it, right? So these are some, interesting directory niches with good potential into it. So as I can also find halal directory Malaysia over here. So I guess there is some chance for me to understand or, ideate even more. So what I did was like I found some interesting directory niches from here. You can even export, some of the all the keywords, and you can filter it out. You can export or upload it into chat gpt or Gemini and ask Gemini to spit me out some interesting niches from there. So once I did this manually, can even search for it, and you can check, you can go and exploring on this all the directory niches you can find over here. There are some really interesting ideas you can find, right? Obviously, you can do Google search as well, but this is quite interesting. Now, what I did was like I went to grok.com, right, and used deeper research, right. Then I told like I have two directory niche ideas, which is halal directory and therapist directory. And there might be multiple directory ideas and sites in this particular niches, obviously. So I told Grok to, give me a report on what I could do to make my directory product stand out in this niche. What is missing in the existing directory examples? So the deeper research would go out and do the research for me, right? So it has done some research. I will show you what the research is, right? So this is a comprehensive report on building a standout directory product for halal and therapist niches. So as you can see, these are some of the interesting directory ideas in the existing landscape, right? These are some of the common features. Now, what are the gaps that I can fill, right? What are the gaps that I can fill? So some of the directory focuses heavily on restaurants with less coverage on halal services like grocery, butchers, or caterers, right? So you have good potential over there. Limited global reach because most are region specific, Japan and Singapore. So maybe you can like scale up to different countries which have more Muslim population, maybe Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, or something like that. Maybe India as well. So you can do that. Then there are lack of comprehensive platforms that combine multiple halal categories. Then minimal integration with advanced features like booking systems. And this is for therapist directories. So there are like a lot of therapist related directories all over the world. As you can see, these are some of the common features in those directories. And these are some of the gaps that you can fill. Like, so underrepresentation of therapists catering to niche populations, lack of integrated telehealth, language and cultural barriers for non-English speaking. So these are some of the gaps that you can fill to make your directory stand out. So even if you build a directory in this niche, you can stand out really well. So these are some of the industry trends. So niche specialization you can do, right? So as you can see, the niche specialization you can do for like halal travels, halal cosmetics, halal financial services. Then for therapist niche, you can specialize or you can do, ADHD related therapist directories or autism related therapist directories, something like that. Then obviously you can stand out with good user experience searching filter and all of that stuff you can do. Value added services, global reach, right? So all of these that you can do a good research out of it. And as you can see, like Grok does some really interesting or deep research as the tool suggests. And it's really good. So what I did was like I'll just recap what we did here. So we used LowFruits to get some interesting directory niches, and then we did some manual filtering, or maybe you can export it out. And what I did was like I put this prompt into grok.com and used deeper research to find interesting ideas to scale up in that particular niche itself. So if there are competitors in your niche, it's a good sign, I would say, because there is some demand of directories, right? And you can fill up that space, that void it already has. Yeah. So that's for this part of the process. I'll also point you out. I also have a directory related product called DirectoryIdeas.ai. So I would highly recommend you to check this out. So it's a tool which can help you generate some unique and profitable directory ideas as per your niche term and get you a lot of insights for each directory idea so that you can have a better understanding of your niche as well as the idea itself. So here you can see all the insights that you can get with this product, with this idea. For each particular idea, you get all of this insights, and for each directory niche as well, you get all of these insights like Reddit discussions, if there are any existing directories in a particular niche, market size insights, clear steps on how to use them, and lots of stuff. So currently this is a product which is on a lifetime deal. You can like check it out and you know get an hands-on with this tool and explore this tool in in a detailed manner. I also have a detailed walkthrough video as well on this channel, so you can also check out on my YouTube channel as well. I have done a detailed walkthrough video of this particular tool. You can just explore my YouTube channel for for a detailed walkthrough video. And another thing that I wanted to share with you is like also have a course for, on if you want to build a directory product with no code and AI, you can go to rapcourse.com, RAAP course.com, and you can find some really good video lessons on how you can build a directory product with no code and AI. So there are some course contents that I have suggested over here, so you can like check it out and go through it and get a subscription if you are interested in learning how to build directory product with no code and AI tools. By the way, no coding experience is needed, so you can just like enroll for this course and get some information and get your directory business going on. So yeah, so that's it for this video. You can feel free to check out my YouTube channel because I have like published a lot of other videos related to, you know, directories and how to find more directory ideas, validating your directory niches and all of that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.